Hi everybody, Philip Rodiker here, John L. Scott. How you doing? Guess what? I'm about ready to tell you. I got a set of keys right here going into this thing right here. That's called a lockbox, which means we have another cool property coming on the market. We have this condominium coming on the market right now, and this condominium is like none other that we've ever done before because it's an ends unit on a dead end here. And the one thing that I like about this is that we have covered parking. We have right by the front door, we have a carport here, and it comes with a full garage on the other end, which we'll show to you. And the other thing that's cool is there's 2 parking spots here for visitors, plus 2 over there. That's 5 right in front of the property, plus 1 covered garage down the road. That's 6 parking in a condo. You don't ever hear about that. Now, the thing that's cool about this condominium too is the sellers have done everything inside this house completely updated. It's got quartz countertops, new cabinets, shaker cabinets in the house. Floors have been done, luxury plank vinyl, new carpet. It's 3 bedroom and 2 full bath too. This thing is incredible. It's got a private area in the back, a little alcove area with a fence in the back, and it's got extra storage in the back. How can you beat it? I'm telling you, you guys got to come in and take a look at this one because I was impressed, so I know you're going to be impressed. Let's go.